Okay, here is a older Carrier package commercial air conditioning unit running. And this unit does not really sound that good at all. I think that sound's coming from the fan motor. Bearings might be going out on this unit. It is from 1993, and I'm not sure the exact tonnage on it. It has 2 reciprocating compressors, pretty sure. And just turned off. Yeah, that did not sound good at all. Yeah, it's got 2 reciprocating compressors. I'm not sure what kind those are. I think those might be Bristol's or Tecumseh's. Actually, you know what? I think those might be Tecumseh's. But yeah, that did not sound good at all. But yeah, this unit is located at the third part of the outlet mall complex I've filmed at here in Williamsburg. But yeah, just so I get a quick video of this unit running. Anyway, thanks for watching.